Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how journalists communicate securely with whistleblowers? Or how activists share sensitive files without leaving a digital footprint? The answer lies in tools like Tor Browser and OnionShare. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use these powerful tools on Kali Linux to share files and chat anonymously. Whether you're a privacy advocate, a cybersecurity enthusiast, or just someone curious about the dark web's brighter side, stick around. This is going to be a game changer. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why privacy matters, especially in 2024. Every day, your data is being tracked, analyzed, and sold. From social media to online shopping, your digital footprint reveals more about you than you think. For professionals like journalists, activists, or even everyday users, this can be dangerous. That's why tools like Tor Browser and OnionShare exist. They help you browse the web without being tracked, share sensitive files securely, communicate privately without surveillance. And trust me, once you see how easy it is to use them, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. All right, let's get started by installing OnionShare on Kali Linux. Step 1. Update and upgrade your system. Before installing anything, it's always a good idea to update your system. Run bash, copy code, sudo apt update, and in sudo apt upgrade y. Step 2. Install OnionShare. Now, install OnionShare by running bash, copy code, sudo apt install OnionShare y. Step 3. Verify installation. Check if everything is set up correctly with bash, copy code, OnionShare, version. And just like that, you've got OnionShare installed. But wait, it's not just about installation. Let me show you the magic behind this tool. Let's say you need to send a confidential document to someone, but you're worried about email or cloud storage leaks. Here's how OnionShare makes this seamless and secure. Open OnionShare by typing bash, copy code, OnionShare. Choose Share Files mode. Drag and drop the file you want to share into the window. Click Start Sharing. And here's the magic. A unique .onion link is generated. Only people with this link and the Tor browser can access the file. No third parties, no surveillance. With OnionShare, your data is encrypted and shared directly. No intermediaries, no leaks. Now, let's take it to the next level, hosting a completely anonymous chat room. Imagine having a private conversation that even Big Brother can't eavesdrop on. Here's how. Switch to chat mode in OnionShare. Click Start Chat. Share the generated .onion link with your participants. They can join using Tor Browser. The best part? All messages are end-to-end encrypted and self-destruct after the session ends. It's perfect for sensitive discussions. By now, you're probably wondering, why is this so secure? Here's why. Tor Browser anonymizes your internet connection by bouncing it through a global network of servers. OnionShare leverages this network to create private links that can't be intercepted or traced. Together, they're like the Batman and Robin of the online privacy world, unstoppable. Privacy is a skill, not just a tool. To maximize your anonymity, always use the latest versions of Tor Browser and OnionShare. Be cautious with the links you share. Only give them to trusted individuals. Avoid revealing personal details in anonymous chats or files. Consider using a VPN alongside Tor for an extra layer of protection. Remember, even the best tools can't protect you if you're careless. And that's it, folks. You now have the skills to share files and chat anonymously using Tor Browser and OnionShare on Kali Linux. Whether you're protecting your privacy or just exploring new tech, these tools are a must-have. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more cybersecurity tips and tricks.